Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio, water sign. This reading is about your person current feelings and actions, and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your person current feelings, Scorpio, for the month of February. This is monthly reading. So your person current feelings. 8 of Pentacles. I think they want to work on this relationship. They're waiting for the right time. Maybe right now your person may be in and out of your life. There is no commitment, on and off communication, that type of situation. But now your person thinking about long term with you, and they really mean it, because 8 of Pentacles is very slow, but still they really want to work on this relationship, because 8 of Pentacles is working on this relationship. And reading Wheel of Fortune, I think they're waiting for the time. They're thinking about, if you are in separation, they're thinking about the right time to approach you. Maybe they're waiting for the right time or right moment, whatever. I think here divine timing plays key role in your relationship right now. They're thinking about some time, divine timing, what I'm getting here. And 9 of Cups, and with 7 of Cups. For some, your person may be in some confusion state. Maybe they have options also. But under the deck card is 8 of Pentacles. What I'm getting here, they're fantasizing about you a lot. They're missing you a lot. With 9 of Cups, they're really wishing to work on this relationship. With these two cards, 8 of Pentacles with 9 of Cups, you are their wish fulfillment, Scorpio. They really want to work on this relationship. I think maybe for some, your person may be in some confusion state, how to approach you, because it is waiting. For some it could be waiting period. They're waiting for right time. That's why they're in little confusion. For other group, definitely your person fantasizing about you a lot. They really work on this relationship. Yeah. For some, very rare, if your person having options, but they're going to be choose you, because 8 of Pentacles is here. They really want to work on this relationship, and you are their wish fulfillment, 9 of Cups. They're wishing for this connection, and everything is about divine timing. Wheel of Fortune is here. Definitely everything is about divine timing is. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, lot of water energy, guys. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Under the deck, 5 of Wands, and there is lot of drama going between you and your person. That's why, and then separation had happened, but now they really want you. You are their wish fulfillment. That's why they're waiting for the right time to approach you. So let's see the near future actions. Then we will get Magician, 7 of Pentacles, Chariot, yeah, and Death. It's your card and it's your reading, Scorpio. For some, there is ending in past between both of you. That's why they're waiting for the right time to come approach you. There is breakup or anything. It could be no contact, but they're trying to manifesting you back. They're patiently waiting to come back to you, or they're waiting for your message or call. They're manifesting you, yeah, because in divine timing, maybe they're trusting the universe. And maybe they also somehow invested in this connection and waiting for you. What I'm getting here, 7 of Pentacles, and they really want to invest on this relationship, 7 of Pentacles and Chariot. Yeah, very slow moving energy, but still they want to take this relationship to next level. If for some, your person is waiting for your message or call or your action, you are also not going to take any action. In some cases they will take action, but it is very slow moving energy, because Chariot. But still there is some movement, some communication, some message is coming, but still it is very slow moving energy, Cancer. Okay, but they really want to work on this relationship. That's why 8 of Pentacles, it is also very slow but stable. It is also slow moving energy but stable. Okay. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and Cancer especially. And the magician here, yeah, they're manifesting everything in their life right now. They're in manifesting energy, and they also manifesting you back. That's why I Wheel of Fortune with magician. Everything in divine timing. Maybe universe or divine timing plays key role in this connection. What I'm getting here, they're wishing for this connection, and there will be some movement. Yeah, because but it is slow moving chariot. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Seven of Swords, the Fool, and Tower. Right now your person undergoing some tower moment because you both are in separation. And yeah, why they are not approaching you and manifesting you back, they're waiting for you to take action towards you because they're scared. What I'm getting here, because they did something wrong to you in past. Seven of Swords energy and very sneaky energy, and maybe they lied to you, cheated on you, something sneaky, and your person did hurt you in past. That's why they are taking their time before coming towards you. Maybe they're depending on universe, maybe they're manifesting you back. They're manifesting, that's why they're waiting. But they want brand new beginnings with you. The Fool, they want to take leap of faith this time. The Fool energy, and they want brand new beginnings with you. But it's up to you, Scorpio. But they're wishing for you, and you are their wish fulfillment. Because the Tower, right now your person missing you so much. Maybe for some it could be any reason. There right now your person undergoing some Tower moment. Yeah, again Five of Wands. There is lot of drama involved in this connection. Maybe your person is fighting for your attention. Two cards. Yeah, Ten of Swords and Eight of Swords. I think one person is stuck. It could be you. Scorpio, you are stuck on your person, thinking about them a lot. You are unable to come out of this energy, what I'm getting here. Still you want rebirth in this connection. Ten of Swords, even though you are feeling this pain, still you want rebirth. And there is a lot of drama going. That's why you are fed up with this energy. You are feeling like this, and you are feeling stuck also. Because Seven of Swords energy, yeah, it is very painful for you. They did something to you. It's maybe emotional hurt, or yeah, missed opportunity right now. Yeah, Ten of Wands. There is a lot of work to do in this relationship. You both feeling overburdened. It is like hard work for you both. Because one person is giving, another person is taking. I am getting the situation. That's why the missed opportunity is here. Still they're coming back. Still they want rebirth in this connection, but you are not going to accept for some, because you are feeling overburdened. You always have to do hard work, because in every relationship there will be equal give and take. When there is no equal give and take, there is no balance, then automatically there will be insecurity and resistance in this connection, in any connection. But there is missed opportunity. Definitely one person feeling missed opportunity with other person. I think they will approach you. Definitely they will make action in near future, but it very slow. But then it's up to you. Maybe for some you are not accepting, for some you will, but I am not seeing any clear picture in near future, because right now you are feeling overburdened and you stand by your power and you are very grounded, Scorpio. Yeah, they're coming back, then it's up to you. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. See, message from Moon Oracle deck for you. What do you need to release? So if you have any negative thoughts or negative, if you are doing any like thinking about someone negatively or doing negative things, whatever. But this is the message from universe, what you need to release. So you have to release something in your life. Maybe past hurts, maybe you are carrying your past with you, maybe that is you holding back. That's why 10 of swords energy, Scorpio. You need to release. Maybe you have to undergoing some meditation and healing process. Okay, then you will leave. Otherwise it will carry, and you will carry this with you in future also. That creates resistance in your life, not only in relationship, in working area also. This is the, and one more card, adjustments are required. So yeah, if they're coming back, maybe they offer new beginnings with you, still there will be some drama, because 5 of wands 2 times. That's why you are not going to accept for some. If you will accept, there are some adjustments are required in this relationship. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.